Is your KD ratio just super low? Well, let's take a look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Clustrs glass Mousepads. That's right, these things are glass, but they have a nice, sweet surface on top. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at these Clustrs glass Mousepads. So I have two different ones to take a look at. They come in this really nice box right here. Very nice. But let's open it up. So one of the first things you see in the box are these really cool stickers. That's right, Clustrs gives you some free stickers. I've got this little thank you right here that comes. They've got this protective kind of foam all throughout the box, so don't worry about it being damaged. And nice, this thing is art. Look at this. Wow, Clustrs. This is the back of the pad right here. You see it's a little textured so that there's not really any slip. It's got grip on your desk and those surfaces. And then, can you hear that? Yeah, there is a little texture on here, so it will allow your mouse to sense the glass. Got their logo. This thing looks sick. Wow. The quality on it is ridiculous. Sometimes when you get printed mouse pads that just don't look that good, this thing looks like you could hang it on your wall. And you can kind of see through here, the thickness is skinny. This thing is not very thick at all, but I got another one. That's right, if you're not a fan of having some kind of images or graphics on it, you can get their base color ones right here. And these are a little cheaper also on top of that. So depends on what you're looking for, if you want that custom look or just some really cool, sleek, beautiful colors. Well, let's go ahead and try it out because this thing is supposed to enhance your gaming. This is the Clustrs glass Mousepad. It's easy to clean, stain-resistant excellence, special transparent surface coating. It's got impact resistance. That's right, the Clustrs is made of 9H tempered glass, which has a remarkable tension strength and longevity. Even if it's dropped from a height of 1 meter, it won't break. Durable scratch resistance, the glass surface features a unique coating that's meant to endure wear and tear, assuring years of usage. And it's easy to clean, so you can just use a moist, wet cloth to quickly clean glass surfaces of dirt and smudges. Right now it comes in two sizes, the 400 by 300 millimeter and the 500 by 400 millimeter. Most of their mouse pads are under $100. Precision control. The micro etch surface enhances mouse sensor tracking and reduces drift, maintaining smooth glide while adding the control typical of textured mouse pads. In gaming applications, it prevents over-aiming, balanced glide and control for precise operations, stable target locking. It ensures steady crosshair movement and accurate targeting, perfect for extended gaming sessions. You can also order your custom gaming mouse pad for around $160, so you can bring your creativity to life with their custom gaming mouse pads, perfectly reproducing your favorite images from personal designs to cherished memories. Combine top-notch gaming performance with a unique touch that's all yours. Here's some of the guidelines for the customization. First, you're going to upload your image. You need to use a 4x3 image for the perfect fit, HD or 4K resolution for the sharpest results, and JPG, JPEG, PNG, and WebP are the formats. You just place your order, you'll get a confirmation email after they go over it and review it, and it'll take about 3 to 5 days. So some of the specifications are the material is tempered glass, the thickness is around an ultra thin 3 millimeter, there's an AF coating on it so you can reduce surface tension and it ensures a smoother glide. Surface etching, so you get precise mouse sensors and it enhances the surface precision. Anti-shatter film, so it prevents the glass from breaking into sharp pieces. and the base material is a high-density plastic PU polyurethane. While Clustrs is a new brand, it comes with nearly 20 years of expertise in glass manufacturing. They've also worked with some well-known global gaming brands, producing premium glass mouse pads that are designed to reflect your personal style with customizable options. Whether upgrading your gaming gear or enhancing your workspace aesthetics, Clustrs has you covered. And right now, all the products on the website can be purchased with an additional 10% discount when you use our code GTC at checkout. These things are awesome. The precision is just ridiculous. You really see how bad at aiming you really are. I guess that's how you get better. We want to give a huge shout out to Clustrs for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below and a discount. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I've been today's host, Matthew. You've been watching Good Tech Cheap, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.